Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. You need to begin by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Then click on Allow. And finally select Browse at the bottom in the middle. When you finished, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!